Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of safety goggles. Safety is paramount, so make sure to wear your goggles throughout the process. Start by unplugging the vacuum and removing the dustbin. This will give you easier access to the battery compartment. Locate the two screws at the bottom of the battery cover. These are usually marked with a battery symbol. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew and set the screws aside in a container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the battery cover off using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious as there may be clips holding the cover in place. Once the cover is off, you will see the battery secured by two additional screws. Remove these screws in the same manner. Next, carefully disconnect the battery from the connector. If you encounter resistance, check for any clips or latches that may be holding the battery in place. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making this process even easier for you. Now, with the battery disconnected, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely connected. Reattach the screws to hold the battery in place, ensuring it's snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the threads. Replace the battery cover by aligning it with the clips, and push down until it clicks into place. Now, it's time to reinsert the screws that secure the cover, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Before we move on to the ring replacement, let's clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a dry cloth to wipe away any dust or debris inside. This will not only help in maintaining the efficiency of your vacuum but also ensure a longer lifespan for the new battery. If you need assistance, remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, on to replacing the ring. Locate the ring on the front of the vacuum. You will see a small notch where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Gently pry the ring off, taking care not to damage any surrounding parts. Once the ring is off, take your new ring and align it with the grooves of the vacuum. Press down firmly until you hear it snap into place. After replacing the ring, give the vacuum a quick visual inspection to ensure everything is secure and properly installed. If you're unsure about the repair, contacting us is easy. We know that no one likes to spend time on the phone or travel for repairs, which is why we offer a quote before repair to keep you informed without the hassle. Finally, reassemble the dustbin and plug in your vacuum to test it. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery and the ring on your Dyson V10. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.